What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa. You guys have been asking for this video for a while. My hair is getting pretty long. You can't tell it from this style, but it's getting pretty long. I'm gonna show you how I style it, the products that I use. I'm gonna show you the new Forte series products that I'm so excited to show you. Finally, we got them right here. And I'm gonna show you how I do this. So there's a couple different ways that I like to style my hair. First, this is it. You know, it's nice, it looks professional, it looks clean, there's volume. I really like this look. This is just a classic look for me. There's also a side swept look, which is more like this. And I think it looks super cool from the side. Looks like that. So I just styled it. I just shot this video and now I'm gonna show it to you guys how I achieved this look. Now, don't forget that first of all, you can pre-order all of these Forte series products right now. And I'm running the biggest giveaway that I've ever organized in my life as soon as I hit 1 million followers on Instagram, and I'm at like 995 right now. So make sure to go check it out. It is at Alex Costa, listed in the description below. Okay, let's get started. All right guys, so I just took a shower. My hair is damp. I use the Forte series clarifying shampoo and hydrating conditioner. These products are amazing. They're gonna make sure that it just takes away all of the products that you had in your hair before. It gives you a nice clean slate, all right? Blank page for you to work with. And the clarifying shampoo has a bunch of natural ingredients like shea butter, peppermint oil, etc., parabens free, sulfates free, all the good stuff. So now what I like to do is go ahead and apply the Forte series argan oil. This is a hydrating daily argan oil that you apply right before you blow dry. Okay, so I like to put on about this much right here. Not a lot, very little, as you can see. Mix my hands together. They're gonna look a little wet. And then you just apply to your ends like so. And it smells so freaking good. And not only that, but it also just, it makes your hair feel smooth. Like as soon as you put it in, it just, your fingers will run through your hair a lot nicer, you know what I mean? So good, guys. And the good thing about this oil too is that it acts as a barrier between heat and your hair strands. So it's a heat protectant as well. All right, we're gonna need it because we are about to blow dry. And I have this Harry Josh hair dryer here. I've had this thing forever. It's all beat up. But man, it's a great hair dryer. For you guys that don't know how to blow dry, it's actually very simple. Let me show you. So basically what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to give it as much volume as I can, but I don't want to make it too perfect because I want this flowy, longer hairstyle. At the end of the day, it's gonna be worn down. It's not gonna be super high with the volume because it is really long, you know what I mean? So I don't want it to be too high. I want it to be flowy. I want it to be kind of careless. And that is why we're first gonna give it volume and shape, but then we're just gonna like make it trickle down a little bit and look super awesome and modern. I don't know about you guys, but my least favorite part to blow dry is the back of my hair right now because it's so long and it just takes so long to dry. Like, come on already. All right, now a trick that I've always been telling you guys, every time I do a tutorial, I remind you of this one because it's so easy and it makes such a big difference, is if you want your hair to part to the right, let's say like mine, right? I'm gonna blow dry it to the right, but then I'm gonna go ahead, blast it to the opposite side, to the left, okay? And that's gonna give it loads of volume because you can see that it stands up higher already because it wants to go this way, right? So blow dry it this way and then blow dry it back. And by doing that, you're making your hair stand up a little bit straighter, a little bit higher, and that gives it more volume. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Look at that volume. And this is without any product. The only thing I have in my hair right now is the Forte series argan oil. It looks good. It feels nice and soft and like bouncy. You can play around with it and it kind of stays where it's supposed to go. That's because this oil right here is a great pre-styler. Definitely apply this before you blow dry your hair, and it's gonna give it some shape. It's gonna give it a nice natural shine. As you can see, like it just feels so nice to the touch. I am loving this. And I can still smell the oil in my hair too, so it's amazing. All right. Now that it is dry, besides maybe a couple of parts in the back here that are always a little bit damp, man, it takes too long. I'm gonna skip it. Let it be a little bit damp. We're gonna apply the Forte series molding paste, this bad boy right here. Look at that cool new packaging that we just designed. It's all brand new. I am so excited about this. It took us so long to come up with this, not only the product solution, but also to come up with the packaging and how this was going to look and how the box was going to look. So very excited to share this with you guys. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and we are going to scoop out, I like to do about this much right here. It's not a whole lot. I'm gonna do this and emulsify it in my hands. It's gonna be nice and creamy. It feels so nice. Look at that. It's kind of white, right? So that, even though it is white in your hands, it's not gonna be white on your hair. It kind of goes away as soon as you put it in, see? Which is awesome. And look at the hold that this thing has already. Even though it's a soft paste, guys, I'm telling you, the hold on this thing is incredible. It is so good. Immediately, it grips your hair. Look, immediately, it gives you the hairstyle that you want. It is insane. At first, when I got this and I scooped it out, I'm like, this is too soft, man. There's no way this is gonna hold my hair up. But look at it. Look, it holds my hair up. My hair is so long right now. It's so heavy. There's oil in it, and it still holds it up. Let's get the roots as well, because that makes a big difference. And let's style it this way. Now, the cool thing about having longer hair is that yes, you can style it this way, right? And this is how I usually have it on a day-to-day basis. If I just want to be clean cut, if I want to look good, if I'm going somewhere for work, to an event, to somewhere where I know I need to look good, this is it. It's a more professional look. If you're going to the office, you can wear this. It looks good. But if you want to wear something a little bit more flowy, like I said, that is when this paste really shines. And that is because you can move this around so well and keep it in the same place at the same time. And what I mean by that is you can do this, but then you can go ahead and do that. And it stays, and like you move it and you can see that it moves around a little bit, but it doesn't actually leave the position that you want it to be in, which is incredible. It's mind-blowing that you can do this with the product. And if for whatever reason it falls, if you jump, whatever, if you're playing sports, literally go like this and it goes right back into place. It is incredible how flexible yet sturdy this paste is. It's a Swiss Army knife. You can just do whatever you want with it and it looks great. So with the flowy longer hair, I love doing this right now. I think it looks so awesome. From the side, it looks so good. From the top, it looks awesome. It's just a little bit more careless. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. Nowadays, I think we're moving towards an era where it's cool to be more careless. You know, you go on TikTok, you see the guys wearing their, you know, parting their hair in the middle, doing something different. Obviously I blow dried it that way, so it's not gonna stay, but I also like changing it up and just doing something like this once in a while. So it's like, it's done, it looks good, but also there's a little bit of flow to it. You know what I mean? It's not perfect. And from the side, I love that way right there, how it looks from the side. So when I take pictures, for example, when I have my hair falling like this, it just looks so cool. You know, I can give it some volume, boom, let it flow like that, and you have a photo. It looks absolutely amazing, and we can do that with the paste. Now, if you have shorter hair and you're looking for something that's a little bit more spiky, you know, more texture, then you can still use the paste. You can also use the Forte Series Texture Clay, which obviously we are still selling right now. So I'm just excited that we have all these products. I'm excited that I can do all these types of different hairstyles with my own product without the need of using any additional products from a different brand. So I'm so excited. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Alex Costa, and we're doing a giveaway there the minute I hit 1 million followers, and that's coming up very, very soon. All right, we're gonna pick 10 winners to win a bunch of different gifts. Let me know if you like this video in the comment section down below. Let me know what else you want to see, and also let me know whether or not I should cut my hair. What do you guys think? Should I keep it growing? Should I do something different? Let me know and we'll figure it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.